there everyone, welcome back to the Evelyn Adored channel. It's me, Evelyn, here as usual, and this week I'm so excited to bring you part 2 of my August Festival Cosplay Creations series. This week it's going to be the second of our Scooby-Doo female characters. Yes, it's time to create a dress for none other than Daphne Blake, our wonderful heroine who is very danger prone to say the least. So grab yourself a cuppa, and if you haven't done so already, my friends, hit that all important subscribe button and come along with me as we get to some more cosplay creating. And here she is, Daphne Blake. There's really only one outfit to create to cosplay this danger prone cartoon icon. Yep, her purple stripy dress. To create it, I grabbed some scuba fabrics in these beautiful contrasting shades of purple. The lilac is actually a scuba crepe, which at first I was a little unsure of as my control freak mind wanted the same fabric just in different colours. But as I started creating the garment, I loved how the different texture of the scuba crepe really helped those stripes to pop. To create the pattern for Daphne's skater style dress, I grabbed my jersey bodice block and sleeve blocks. And there's a card above so you can create your own, my friends. To create the one-piece dress front and back panels, I placed the bodice patterns on the darker purple scuba on the fold and simply drew outwards from the bodice waistline, creating a skirt portion using my waist to knee length measurement to create a pattern piece that looks like this. Then it was time to create those stripes. And here is a great example of my good, better, best sewing strategy. On a better, stronger health day, I likely would have drafted the skirt to create and sew the stripes in panels, and this would have been the best version. The good version would have seen me just create a single stripe on the base of the skirt and sleeves. But oh no, I wasn't going to have just one stripe. I wanted those 2 stripes just like Daphne's dress. To create the stripes, I firstly traced the dress and sleeve hemlines and then created a 3-inch wide stripe of lilac scuba crepe, repeating this process once more 6 inches above the first stripe on the dress to create the second stripe. And I did this for both the front and back dress pieces. The stripes are then pinned to their respective pieces, before being sewn in place close to the edge using a matching coloured cotton. And I was so happy with how they turned out. I really do dislike cutting corners, and it's taken me a long time to embrace the good, better, best idea, but I'm learning to do what I can and not to push myself too far, and this is definitely a difficult lesson for me. Then it was time to construct the dress, using a zigzag stitch to help retain the stretch in that lovely scuba fabric. This dress comes together so quickly with only 4 main pieces to attach at the side seams, shoulder seams and arm size. It's really a quick and satisfying sew. A reveal incoming. I am just so happy with how this cosplay has turned out. I really wasn't feeling my best on the day that I came to create this dress, and I did feel a bit downhearted at needing to go for the easier option with the stripes. But I absolutely love how it looks and how the contrast fabric and top stitching really helps make those stripes pop. Add a green neck scarf and that signature red hair, and you're all ready to get into those cartoon capers. To see this dress in action soon, stay tuned to the channel, my friends. So my friends, there we go. I managed to create Daphne's gorgeous purple stripy dress, and I even got to have a go at my very own sewing mantra, which is good, better and best. And yes, I know I talk about these sewing mantras and top tips a lot, but I find it really hard sometimes to follow them myself. And as you know, if you've been following me here on the channel for any length of time, I'm really not good at rest and relaxation or at cutting corners because I really am a bit of a perfectionist. But this week, this creation in particular really made me get a hold of that good, better, best mantra and really start to think about what's important. Make sure that you also remember to be kind to yourself, my friends, like I remembered to be kind to myself this week. But until next week, when I'll be sharing with you this year's Tartan Heart Festival. Yes, I'm going to be showing you a Belladrum vlog. But until then, take care, my wonderful friends. Stay safe. Bye.